We back. I haven't seen y'all all year. Anyways, so y'all remember No Shave November, and then the sequel Don't Shave December. Well, it's the trilogy. Man, you hairy January. I've been working on this joke for 2 months. What? Yay or nay? Oh, thank you. That's good. I'm gonna shave it. I don't like it. I just did it so y'all would be disgusted. Yeah. All right. Well, anyways, Mas Barba. Okay. Well, I don't know if I said that right. Due. What's gonna be due? I'll let you know soon. But for now, it's the first day. Y'all might want to think about locking in early. Getting yourself straight. And consistent for this 9 weeks. You don't want to get behind. Let's learn from last 9 weeks and do everything we're supposed to do. You got headphones in? Yeah, you do. That's why you got a hoodie on. Show me. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. That's the one. All right, here we go. Now, today is not something brand new, but we are definitely going to use this in this unit. So we're doing a unit on inverse function. I'll explain that as the week goes on, but you have to remember how to solve for y. Okay? I'm going to tell you it again. This warm-up is like a mini lesson. It should be a review from prior years and from what I taught you last year, last calendar year, this school year. Okay, so let me show you. Let me remind you. This is the way I like to show you how to do it. Ready, ready, ready? Number one, when you're solving for y, first you got to move the x, and you do the opposite. So what's the opposite of minus 3x? Yeah, plus 3x. And on the other side, plus 3x. Now, what you do is those opposites, scratch them out. They're gone. Bring down the y. So it's positive 6y, so just 6y. This is an important part of this step. You're not going to actually add 18 plus 3. It's not 21. It's not 21x, remember? This is like your mx, and this is like your b. So this goes in front of this. Positive 3x goes first. Positive or plus 18 goes second. Okay, that is just one step. There's little parts to it, but does everyone see what I did? Opposite of the x, put it in front of that number. Okay, that's step one. And then step two is just divide. So what's in front of that y that I need to get rid of? The coefficient in front of y that I need to get rid of right here is 6. How do I get rid of that 6? Divide by the exact same number. Positive or negative, doesn't matter. And everything else gets divided by that exact same number. Do you see how everything got divided by the coefficient 6? Scratch out the 6's, and now you should have your final answer, y equals, and then you can use Desmos. Okay, hold on one second here. Where's Desmos? Like the 3 over 6, you could do that, or you can just type it in. It'll reduce it for you. Hit this circle to turn it back into a fraction. 1/2 x. And then 18 over 6 is 3, so plus 3. So do you see how I'm taking these fractions to Desmos and reducing them and turning them back into fractions? Because remember, slope in front of x is usually rise over run fraction, okay? Cool? Over my 2 steps. Do the opposite x, put it in the right order, then you divide and simplify. It should say y equals mx plus b. Okay, that's it. Number 2, same idea. If I'm solving for y, then I need to get rid of this positive 2x. What's the opposite of positive 2x? Negative or minus 2x here. And over here, minus 2x here. The opposite x's cancel out. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Now, when you bring this down, the minus 5y, that minus goes with the 5. It's like a negative, negative 5y. Don't forget the negative. And please remember, these don't combine. It's not negative 17. It's not negative 17x. It's not negative 13 or negative 13x. It's not combining, okay? This is the mx that goes in front of the b right there. So negative 2x goes first. Minus 15 goes second. Okay? And then, my last step, just like last time, is divide. Look, y'all see this negative sign? When you divide, you're dividing by not just 5, you're dividing by negative 5. Everything divided by negative 5. Divided by negative 5. The negatives and the 5s cancel. Now I have y equals. Let me drag this over 1 second. Okay, now look, negative 2 over negative 5. Negative 2 divided by negative 5. Hit the circle for the fraction. The negatives cancel out, but it's still just 2 over 5. X. And then negative 15 divided by negative 5. I'm showing you every step that you can use Desmos for, so that way there's no questions, okay? You definitely want to reduce the fractions. And now you have two awesome examples written on your warm-up sheet, and also stay on the board right here to help you as you do some practice of this. We're getting back in the groove of this. So again, it's not something brand new, but it is something you've got to master. Whether you're retaking the STAR test or you're getting ready for Algebra 2 next year, you've got to be able to solve for y. So, I'm passing out this first assignment called Solving for y. Go ahead and work on this. All the steps on what we just talked about, and the examples are in your warm-up and up here on the board. You may begin that.